Hello, Nonna Maria. I'm making some frittata. You call omelette. We have frittata, omelette for lunch or dinner in Italy, not for breakfast. Okay, I pre-cooked some potatoes. Now I'm adding some onions. We're gonna add also some peas, of course. We're Sicilian, okay? And I got over here 5 eggs. I put a little salt, just that much, the rest in the back. And a little pepper, just that much. Now the onions are cooked a little bit more. I had the peas. In the egg, there is basil, little salt, a little pepper, and Parmigiano Reggiano cheese and Pecorino Romano. Now that everybody got acquainted, we introduce the egg. Here we go. All around. And we let it cook. We put some oils. And we let it cook. And then we turn. And I turn. Every time I turn the frittata, I have a heart attack. But it worked out. It just broke a little bit. And now we wait to plate. Okay? In a while, crocodile. Ah, my frittata omelette is ready. Potatoes, peas, onions, basil, eggs, Parmigiano Reggiano, and Pecorino Romano, and on the top, sharp provolone cheese, and my little sauté green beans, garlic green beans, with a little vinegar, salt, and pepper. And this is what's for dinner tonight. Ciao!